It's not that angibathola abantwana, but ngibe nama-ectopic pregnancies too. So ectopic pregnancy is when uthi mengabe ukhulelwa umntwana ahlale kwi-tube bese kuze kube namhlanje odokotela bakokwazi ukuthi bangaremova lokho kusuke kwi-tube bakuyise esibelethweni. So uma kukhulela kwi-tube usuke kuzoba nento ebizwa ngokuthi i-tube lizoqhuma ngithi, so ngeke uphile mangase kuqhume because i-tube alinwebeka lidalelwanga ukunwebeka kukhulele umuntu kulona. So ngiyabathola abantwana. So I'm not barren.
Okay.
Nabantu bathi inyumba angiyona inyumba. Ngiyakwazi ukukhulelwa, but the problem is bengikhulela umntwana ahlale kwi-tube bese kufanele li-remove i-tube because uma selicleanwa akwazi ukuklinwa kuphela lishiwe kodwa liyasikwa bese kuyaboshwa. So lelo tube lokuqala ngithi umuntu nama-fallopian tubes awu-2. So first child ungena kwi-tube liyasikwa, second child ungena kwelinye i-tube liyasikwa. So angisakwazi ke manje in a natural way or ngendlela ejwayelekile yokwenziwa kwabantwana angisakwazi ukuthi ngingayikhulelelelwa nje because into eyitransport yamaqanda from amaqanda make suka kufanele eze sibelethweni ahlangane part nendawo mamzane nembewu yes ahlangane nembewu bese kwakhe kumntwana kuhlala esibelethweni mina bekwenzeka kwi-tube. So ama-tubes wami wo-2 asikiwe, so angisakwazi ukuthola abantwana.
Not Musa Mselegu telling his third wife, Umakhumalo, that she failed to birth him kids in his marriage. Hi, your family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But we all been watching Uthando Nesthembu this season, and I bandla begushushu impela. The Mselegus welcoming the fifth wife, who was later confirmed to be expecting a baby for Umusa Mselegu, and later on seeing how Umusa Mangwabe and Ushibase have been having issues with their relationship. Hayi bandla bekushushu impela. Kodwa throughout all of this, Mzansi was quietly watching Umakhumalo, stating that she has changed this season. She is no longer bubbly like she used to. But hayi bandla, we thought perhaps she decided to be more calm, cool and collected. Hayi ke sana, on the last episode of this season, Umusa and Makhumalo were seen having a heated argument whereby Umusa kept on disrespecting Umakhumalo while she was trying to have a point or a say during the meeting that Musa called with his wives. Sana, on the diary session, Umusa clearly stated ukuthi Umakhumalo, she is slowly losing her position. The fact that she is assisting financially does not give her the right to speak or to move as she is currently moving because she failed. But she failed to do what he married her for, which was to give him children. But then Makhumalo struggled to give birth, or rather to conceive, for a very long time, and due to medical reasons she ended up having her tubes tied, meaning that she cannot conceive naturally. The only solution to this issue, it is via IVF, which she has been constantly begging Umusa for her to have. But siyazi Umusa indoda yomZulu, he's been stating that he cannot do it because it is not the traditional way, or rather it does not align with his cultural beliefs. Betunana, this is indeed shocking. We're not expecting Umusa to be so disrespectful to Makhumalo to that extent of him telling her ukuthi hayi bandla phela nasisi uhlulekile ukuyenza into ubuyizele la kulo muzi. Hayibo. This is what Tweep had to say. I can't believe he finally said she failed to give him children to secure her spot, because that's what she was brought into the family for. Her money will never be enough, a Tweep said. All I am hearing is your money will never make up for the fact that you can't bear me kids. But I guess that's all you bring to the table. I hate Musa, right up there with Siyaqela. Bathanda bomgosi, hayi bandla, there is definitely no turning back after this one. But mina, I am wondering, is this all scripted or vele Musa Mselegu said the exact words on national TV about his wife, whom he clearly knows why she can't conceive? But Bomkosi, while we are still on that, Musa Mselegu's fifth wife, Usam Gekwela, delivered a bouncing baby boy. It is speculated that allegedly the child was born in January. Congratulations, shoot to Usamke Nomusa. Godwa hayi bandla. We are still shocked at the words that Musa stated on the national TV. I wonder the next season iyoba kanjani. This is for today, but please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.